I want to dot that with R prime. So what's R prime? Cool. Now if you dot those together, then you can integrate across T, and we know what T is doing. So I mean, the funny thing, I love how they make this look like the end result, but most often you're actually going to use this here, because that's the stuff, especially when they give you R of T, because then you just calculate R prime of T. Now, if for some reason you know something about this, not about T, then you want to use this formulation here, but this is the one that's going to most often be useful. Yeah?
In the final case, the F is still an F of R of T, correct?
Yeah, they're just, well, not necessarily. I think the reason they put that in the middle is because they should have said that equals this equals that, or some other organizational way of doing it. So this is after you've made the change from R to R of T, after you made the parametrization, right? This doesn't have to be parametricized. This is according to arc length.
Okay.
So I think they just put it in some weird ass order. The thing in the middle should be at the end. That would make a little more sense, because that's what's most useful. So now all I need is the dot product between the F and the R prime. Plug that in the middle. I mean, the rest of this is easy. What's most important here for you guys is something that I think is missing is, you know, I always hate saying this, but as a student I would go through, I would make sure that I understood where every part of a proof came from before I went on. I mean, this is where you got to get into it. The ideas behind why this kind of works is important and a lot more difficult to get down than just actually the nuts and bolts. I mean, doing a problem is easy. If you got the form to plug it in, you know how to do all these pieces. Now, if there's a piece you don't know what to do up here, that's an issue, right? That's not good. All the parts of this should be really easy. What's gonna suck is if you have to do by parts somewhere and you forgot how by parts kind of works or whatever, and or whatever other weird little integrals pop up. But actually constructing the integral is the hardest part about this, but it shouldn't be that hard. This is built on stuff we've been doing forever in this class, so it shouldn't be that crazy. Yeah.
For the group quiz on Monday, what sections?
Just the end of 15, so 15, 6, 7, and 8. So it's going to be like triple integrals, cylindrical coordinates, and spherical coordinates. Yeah. Group quiz, Monday. If you didn't hear earlier, take Wednesday off. I was hoping you're remembering that, so it made today easier to get through. Yes? 3. No. Oral final exam. You're not careful. Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good.
For what now?
What are the
This is the 8th.
Oh, that's the older one. Which one are these?
Older one.
I'm talking about the one that has black and then has red here.
But look, that's like a picture of it. It's because it's the instructor's edition, so.
Oh, it's the same then.
Look at it like that. It's the same.
Gotcha.
Yeah. I don't know why they
15-6. Start there. That's why I'm excited for Wednesday.
Steve.
I do want to take pictures of them. This. I don't have a book.
Come with me back to the office. I have an extra book here. Yeah. I just happened.